In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record your screen with Sharex mp4. Let's get you set up quickly and clearly so you can capture clean, compatible mp4 recordings. Start by launching Sharex from your desktop. When the main window opens, look for Task Settings. This is where we'll configure the recorder so your videos come out in the format you want. Inside Task Settings, navigate to the Capture section. This area controls everything related to screenshots and screen recordings. Select Screen Recorder to focus on the video capture features. Now, click Screen Recording Options. This is the important part. Make sure the video codec is set to x264. Choosing x264 tells Sharex to encode your screen recording into an mp4-friendly format. mp4 with x264 is widely supported by video editors, websites, and media players, and it gives you a great balance of quality and file size. If you're unsure about the other options in this window, the defaults usually work well. You can always come back later to fine-tune things like frame rate or quality once you see how your first recording looks. With that configured, you're ready to record. You can start from the menu or by using a hotkey if you've set one up. From the main Sharex window, go to Capture. Then choose Screen Recording, FFmpeg. This tells Sharex to use its recording engine to capture video using the settings you just confirmed. Next, choose what you want to record. Click and drag your mouse to draw a rectangle around the exact area of the screen you want, or simply click on a specific window to record only that application. Selecting a smaller region helps keep files lightweight and focused, while choosing a window is great if you want to avoid capturing desktop distractions. If you need full screen, just drag across the entire display so the selection snaps to the edges. Once you start, a small recording toolbar will appear at the bottom of your screen so you always know you're capturing. When you're done, click the Stop button on that toolbar. Sharex will automatically save the video using your default save location and naming scheme, and you'll be able to access it right away from your recent captures or your file explorer. If the file looks larger than you expected, consider recording a smaller area next time or adjusting quality settings later in the same options window you visited earlier. That's all you need to reliably record your screen to mp4 with Sharex. Launch the app, confirm x264 in screen recording options, start the FFmpeg recorder, select your region or window, and stop when finished. Happy recording.